everyone, I'm Daniela Chuga. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make some adorable SpongeBob Krabby Patty cupcakes. And these are perfect for your SpongeBob themed birthday party or even just a barbecue or a picnic. It's a really fun way to make cupcakes. And the great thing about these cupcakes are you can combine two flavors in one, chocolate and vanilla, which I think is delicious. And so here I'm just adding my chocolate batter into my cupcake liners. Now you want to fill these about 3/4 of the way full. If you overfill them, you're going to have a big messy mess. So I've already preheated my oven to 350. And once I get these all filled in, I'm going to go ahead and put them in for about 15 to 18 minutes each. So the vanilla ones did bake a little bit faster than the chocolate, and so I think it was like a 3-minute difference. So I took those out first, and then I gave my chocolate cupcakes just more time to bake. And to check your cupcakes, you can insert a toothpick into the center, and if it comes out clean, your cupcakes are done. Now on to the frosting. To make our yellow, I used lemon yellow, a little bit of orange, and just the tiniest bit of warm brown. And when I say a tiny bit, I mean you literally just want to kind of just dip a toothpick in there and add it that way, because if you put too much, it's going to come out kind of a weird color. So for our tip, I used a Bakery Craft tip number 150. I'll post links below so you can see what kind of tip you need. I know it's not easy to kind of search through all the different types of tips, and I know not all bakery stores have everything you need. So for our red, I just used red, and to get a bright red, I just started off with some pink actually, and then I added my red slowly to that, and it just helps you not to over dye your colors. And I used a Wilton tip number 5 for the red, and for my green tip, I used a Wilton tip 366. And now for my sprinkles, I didn't have white, so I had to sit here and kind of sort through these and just take out all the little white ones so I can make my sesame seeds. It was kind of a hassle, but I just didn't have it on hand. However, I will post a link below so that you can purchase some white ones. Much easier. And now to assemble my hamburgers. I'm just taking them out of the wrapper, and I'm going to use a serrated knife. And you want to be very careful, don't cut your hands. If you are not an adult, make sure you have an adult help you to do this. And so I'm using my chocolate cupcake now for the patty. And I'm cutting that in half. And I'm going to start off with my cheese at the bottom layer. And you know, you want to get this as straight as you can. I know it's not that easy to make like a little square, but it is going to be melted cheese, so I think we can kind of get away with it. And I'm just cutting this down just a little bit more because we don't want it to be like super thick. We want it to look like a little patty. So now I'm adding, with the leaf tip, my lettuce. Super fun and easy. And now for my ketchup. And I'm going to place my little bun on top. Isn't that cute? And if you haven't subscribed, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of fun things planned ahead, and you wouldn't want to miss out. And if you have any questions about this video, please leave a comment below. I'll be happy to answer any questions you have about these cupcakes or about cake decorating in general. I'm happy to help. So again, we're just adding our cheese first, and then we're going to add our little patty. Now we're going to add our lettuce. You can kind of just give it a little wiggle so it looks like leaves of lettuce, and then we're going to add our ketchup. Just trim that down a little, and now I'm going to add my patty. My cheese. I'm getting a little better at this. Sorry that my hair got in the way. I'm going to add my lettuce and my sauce. Now, last but not least, we're going to add our little sesames on top. And to get our sprinkles to stick, I'm just using this corn syrup and water mixture that I made. It's just 50-50 corn syrup and water. And it just gives our little sprinkles a tacky surface, let them roll right off the cupcake. And don't worry, it's not going to make your cupcake soggy. As long as you don't put too much, you're just going to use a brush to brush it on. And it just gets your little sesames to stick. And we are finished, guys. Wasn't that fun? Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.